Why am I not receiving verification code on Gmail? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, log into your account, then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, select your Gmail that you're not receiving codes in. In here, click on Inbox Notifications. After you're in Inbox Notifications, make sure there's tick mark in Notify for every message. After you have done that, go back and then click on Manage Labels. In here, click on Updates and make sure there is Label Notifications and Notify for every message. After you have done that, you can simply go back to the Gmail, click on three lines, and search for updates on the left side. Search for your codes in the update section. If not, click on spam. Sometimes your codes will be in the spam section as well. Search in here and you're good to go. This is how to fix if you're not receiving verification codes on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.